welcome into Behind the Cover. First of all, yes, I did shave my beard a bit. Secondly, Stadium Arcadium, a fantastic song by Red Hot Chili Peppers from an album with the same name. I don't think the song gets that much love, but to me it's an absolutely fantastic song. So let's talk about the drumming a bit. The groove's a very typical Chad Smith groove, and he keeps his hi-hat the way he usually does, you know, with him keeping the foot playing eighth notes. You see a lot of drummers playing eighth notes or quarter notes with the left foot, either keeping time or to add textures to the song. But in Chad Smith's case, he does it to the extent that it affects the sound by changing the pressure on the hi-hat. Something that you don't hear very often, but it's very specific for Chad Smith's sound, I would say. So what he does is he's keeping constant 16th notes, and it's changing the pressure of the hi-hat. So sometimes you get open, closed, in between, whatever sounds. So it's a really cool thing. So in this song, you do that, you keep the eighth notes during the verses to make this kind of uneven hi-hat pattern, and then in the choruses you keep eighth notes in order to support the song and the groove, because it's very quarter notes heavy on the bell, even though he's playing eighth notes with the right hand, and that hi-hat just adds kind of this balance and evenness for the groove. So it's a really cool thing. Another really awesome thing about this groove is that at the end of like every 4 beats or so, he's playing a 16th note triplet thing with a hi-hat and 2 snare drum ghost notes. It's kind of important for the feel of this song not to play it as an 8th note and 2 32nd notes, but actually just playing 16th note triplets there. It's really cool. Check it out, see if you can hear it and see if you can understand the difference there. And then, yeah, the chorus is very cool, very quarter note heavy, and I think that causes a really awesome sound to the song. So it's very typical Chad Smith. It's kind of what you expect from him, but it's always supporting the songs amazingly. And for this cover I had to use my old Chad Smith signature snare drum. It's actually the first snare drum that I ever bought that's separate from a kit, that's not like with a shell pack, for instance. So it sounds great for the song. I don't think he uses it during recordings and such. I don't even know if he uses it at all, but it's really good at getting the Chad Smith sound. So whether he uses it or not, it's a great snare drum for this style of music. Either way, check out the transcription if you haven't. Wow, that was bad. Check out the transcription if you already haven't. Check out the cover, and I hope you enjoy this one. Talk to you soon.